Anthony Gormley is without question one of the most important artists of our time. This is what I found out on the internet researching his name, and now I can just say this is true. In fact, I found out an incredible artist that has developed a new potential of modern art. I'm gonna talk about an extraordinary installation called Blind Light, but first I would like to briefly introduce the essence of his art, to understand the why of it. First of all, his work consists in a great survey on the relationship between the human body and the space. And it's the space that exists within us and without us. In this space, Anthony searches for new behavior, thoughts, and feelings to arise. Gormley doesn't think of our body as a clear, casing object, but as a limitless place without dimension. After lots of experiments on supplanting the first biological body in different ways, Gormley realizes the blind light installation, work for which light and water vapors were his materials. It consists of a luminous glass room within another room, filled with a dense cloud of mist, and entering through the open threshold, the visitor feels confused because the visibility is so limited that you cannot even see your own feet. A typical reaction is anxiety, because you cannot exit without finding a wall and following it back to the entrance. And your perception is completely upset, so that it's just like being on the top of a mountain or at the bottom of the sea. And the most interesting thing is that you become the subject of the artwork. In fact, as I said, the room is inside another room, so that the public can both enter the glass room or walk around it. And the ones inside get more and more visible when closer to the glass, offering an incredible show to the ones outside. I think that this piece of work could be compared to the human body of Gormley's thought. Both seems limited from the outside, but are endless within. Some years later, Gormley produced another work based on a human disorientation. It's the Horizon Field Hamburg. It's a larger floating panel with a mirror surface where people can walk, and it makes a few minute swing cycle, taking to an evolution of collective behavior. This floating panel could be seen as a large painting into which people become protagonists, as in Blind Light. And this project, based on audience interaction, are something amazing in my view, because they're not just expressive sculptures or installations, they investigate on human being. And I hope that Gormley's survey will produce other magical works in the future.